A well-styled bar cart is more than just a functional piece, it's a statement of elegance, personality, and creativity. Whether you're an avid entertainer or just love the idea of having a beautifully curated display in your home, a bar cart can serve as both a stylish accent and a practical centerpiece. The beauty of bar cart decor lies in its versatility. You can change it with the seasons, match it to your home's aesthetic, or even theme it around your favorite drinks. From modern minimalist setups to vintage-inspired displays, the possibilities are endless. In this video, we're diving into stunning bar cart decor ideas that will elevate your space. Whether you want a chic, sophisticated look or a fun, vibrant setup, these ideas will inspire you to create the perfect bar cart for your home. We'll explore how to choose the right elements, balance style with function, and add those little details that make a bar cart truly special. The foundation of any beautifully decorated bar cart starts with selecting the right cart itself. Bar carts come in various materials, styles, and finishes, so choosing one that complements your home decor is key. If you love a sleek, modern look, opt for a cart with a metal frame and glass shelves. For those who prefer a rustic or farmhouse-inspired setup, a wooden bar cart with antique brass accents can add warmth and charm. Beyond aesthetics, consider the size of your space. If you have a smaller area, a compact bar cart with 2 shelves can provide functionality without overwhelming the room. For those with more space, a multi-tiered bar cart can serve as both a stylish focal point and a practical storage solution. Once you've chosen the cart, the next step is arranging the essentials. Stocking your bar with a well-curated selection of spirits, mixers, and bar tools creates a polished and ready-to-use setup. A mix of glassware, such as wine glasses, tumblers, and coupe glasses, ensures you're prepared for any occasion. The key is to strike a balance between practicality and visual appeal, ensuring that every item you display serves both a functional and decorative purpose. Love these stylish bar cart ideas? Give this video a like and share it with friends who enjoy entertaining. While the primary function of a bar cart is to hold your favorite drinks, styling it with decorative elements adds personality and charm. One of the simplest ways to elevate your bar cart is by incorporating greenery. A small potted plant, a vase with fresh flowers, or a sprig of eucalyptus can bring a touch of nature and softness to the display. Layering in decorative trays and coasters can help organize smaller items while adding a touch of elegance. A mirrored or marble tray can create a luxurious feel, while wooden or woven trays add warmth and texture. Coasters in complementary colors or metallic finishes can further enhance the look. Candles and decorative lighting can also play a significant role in setting the ambience. A few strategically placed candles, whether in sleek holders or vintage-inspired lanterns, can add a warm glow to your setup. If your bar cart is placed in a dimly lit area, consider adding battery-operated string lights or a small table lamp to create an inviting atmosphere. How do you style your bar cart? Share your favorite decor tips in the comments. A bar cart should reflect your personality and taste, so adding personalized elements makes it feel uniquely yours. One way to achieve this is by incorporating themed decor that matches your favorite cocktails or your overall design style. For example, if you love a classic cocktail aesthetic, vintage-inspired barware, a gold cocktail shaker, and an old-fashioned recipe book can add a timeless charm. If you prefer a more modern and minimalist approach, keep the design sleek with clean lines, monochromatic color schemes, and carefully selected statement pieces like geometric bottle stoppers or black and white framed artwork. Books and framed prints can also elevate your bar cart. A small stack of cocktail recipe books or travel-inspired coffee table books can make the setup feel curated and refined. A framed art piece or typography print featuring a witty cocktail quote can add a touch of playfulness while maintaining sophistication. Glass decanters are another way to enhance the elegance of your cart. Instead of displaying liquor bottles in their original packaging, transferring whiskey, gin, or vodka into beautifully crafted decanters can elevate the aesthetic instantly. For more chic home decor ideas, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. One of the most exciting aspects of decorating a bar cart is its adaptability. You can switch up the decor to reflect the changing seasons or celebrate special occasions. For a festive holiday setup, incorporate seasonal decor like evergreen garlands, gold-rimmed glassware, and small ornaments. During the summer months, brighten up the space with citrus fruits, colorful cocktail napkins, and a refreshing spritz station. In the fall, warm tones, amber glassware, and cinnamon sticks for garnishes can create a cozy and inviting setup. For themed gatherings, your bar cart can become the star of the show. Hosting a tropical-themed party? Decorate with tiki mugs, pineapple-shaped accessories, and vibrant cocktail umbrellas. Planning a romantic evening? Opt for soft candlelight, delicate glassware, and a bottle of your favorite rose. The key to keeping your bar cart visually appealing is knowing when to edit. Too many decorations can make it feel cluttered, while too few can make it seem bare. A well-balanced mix of drinks, decor, and functionality will ensure your bar cart remains stylish and practical year-round. Looking for more decorating inspiration? Check out our playlist for creative styling tips. A beautifully styled bar cart isn't just about mixing cocktails, it's about creating a space that feels inviting, curated, and full of character. It's a blend of aesthetics and practicality, where functionality meets sophistication in a way that enhances the overall atmosphere of your home. A well-designed bar cart can become a conversation starter. Whether it's the unique glassware you've collected, the signature cocktails you've mastered, or the stylish decor you've chosen, every detail tells a story. And that's what makes bar cart decor so special. It's a reflection of your personality and the experiences you love to share with others. Beyond just being visually appealing, a bar cart is a reminder that hospitality is an art. Whether you're entertaining guests or simply enjoying a quiet evening at home, having a well-stocked and beautifully decorated bar cart elevates the experience. There's something incredibly satisfying about curating a space that feels effortless yet intentional. From the carefully chosen bottles to the thoughtfully placed accessories, every detail adds to the overall ambience. It's about creating an environment that invites relaxation, enjoyment, and a touch of luxury. As trends come and go, the beauty of a bar cart remains timeless. It's a design element that can be reinvented over and over again, adapting to different styles, moods, and occasions. Whether you keep it classic or experiment with bold, modern twists, your bar cart is a space that can evolve with you. The key to mastering bar cart decor is balance. A mix of decorative elements and functional pieces, a blend of textures and colors, a harmony between structure and spontaneity, these are the things that make a bar cart truly stand out. It's about celebrating the little moments. The joy of crafting a perfectly mixed drink. The charm of setting up a beautiful space for a get-together. The warmth of unwinding at the end of the day with a cocktail in hand. No matter the size of your home, a well-styled bar cart can make any space feel more inviting. It's proof that even small details can have a big impact. It's a reminder that style isn't just about aesthetics, it's about how a space makes you feel. And that's the magic of bar cart decor. It transforms an ordinary corner into something extraordinary, a space that reflects elegance, creativity, and the simple pleasure of a well-made drink. It's more than just a cart, it's a moment, a memory, a statement of style. Want to shop the decor featured in this video? Find all the links in the description. If you enjoyed exploring these bar cart decor ideas, there's plenty more inspiration waiting for you. Styling a bar cart is all about expressing your personality and creating a space that feels elegant and functional. So why not take your creativity to the next level? Let us know in the comments how you style your bar cart. Do you prefer a classic, vintage-inspired setup, or are you drawn to modern and minimalist designs? We'd love to hear your thoughts and see what inspires you the most. And if you're looking for even more home decor ideas, make sure to check out our other videos. From styling different areas of your home to creating seasonal decor setups, we've got plenty of inspiration to help you transform any space. Don't forget to like this video if you found these ideas helpful. Your support helps us bring even more creative and stylish home decor content straight to you. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. We're always sharing fresh ideas, decor trends, and styling tips to make your home look and feel its best. For those who love seasonal decor, we have a dedicated playlist with stunning ideas for every time of the year. Whether you're decorating for spring, summer, fall, or winter, you'll find unique ways to refresh your space with simple yet stylish touches. Looking for bar cart accessories or decor pieces featured in this video? Check out the links in the description to find similar items that can help you recreate these looks at home. If you love interior styling and want even more daily inspiration, follow us on social media. We share behind-the-scenes looks, decor ideas, and sneak peeks of upcoming content. And if you've styled your own bar cart using these ideas, tag us, we'd love to feature your design in a future video. Stay tuned for more exciting home styling ideas coming soon.